Let me also get a word from my colleague Mehendi, who is joining me live from the national capital, where in fact also it is being seen that commuters who face delays also result into facing more congestion on the road. As you're speaking to me from the heart of the national capital, what is the update on in fact the traffic congestion that has been mounted due to the delays that have been witnessed in the aircrafts and also the train delays that have been witnessed for today?
Well, indeed, Simran, talking about the national capital, then yes, I am in central Delhi right now, and the conditions of the cold wave is increasing day by day, and today's temperature has been registered to be around 9 to 10 degrees of the Celsius, due to which a lot of problems are being faced by the people of Delhi. Also, talking about the commuters, then yes, the commuters are facing a lot of problems because of the less visibility early in the morning. But today's condition is a little bit better because there is a sense of sunlight in the national capital in some of the areas. So yes, the fog situation is a little bit better as of today. But yes, there is a delay in the flights and also the trains. Around 30 trains have been delayed because of the foggy weather, because of the changing temperature, and the time that is expected, of the delay is around 70 minutes to 5 hours of the trains. And apart from that, also, Simran, the airports and the flights are also being affected due to the foggy weather. And from airports right now, 140 delays have been happened within 15 minutes average time from the IGI airport. And apart from that, Simran, also 3 departure flights have been cancelled as of 9:30 a.m. we are tracking. And apart from that, the flights who have arrived in the Delhi NCR also, then one of them has been cancelled as of now. But yes, 45 delayed have been happened due to the heavy foggy situation around Delhi Delhi regions also. So yes, there is a problem also the daily commuters, because they are facing the fog-like situations on the highways. So yes, there is a diversion in the roads also because of the foggy situations that has been observed in the national highway areas also, whether it's the D&D highway, or whether it's the highways that connects Delhi to the Haryana region. So yes, there is a problem faced by the commuters also, but IMD has issued an orange alert and has also urged the people to take care of themselves. And we also, as from Newsx, urge the people to take care of themselves, because in the upcoming days, IMD has also issued a report that there is a sense of little rainfall that will be happening in the upcoming days. And around Friday is the day that IMD also mentioned that after Friday, there is a sense that the temperature will dip more and it can reach the levels of 5 degrees in the national capital. But as of now, the temperature is around 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. But yes, in the upcoming days, the cold wave will increase a bit more, and the people of Delhi will face a lot of problem regarding the cold waves and also the dipping of the temperature. And also, the people who live on the footpaths and who, come from different cities, from different states for their treatments also in front of the AIIMS or different hospitals. So yes, their shelter homes has also been created for them to take shelter. In the shelter homes also, they have been provided blankets, and also food services are being
All right,
given
Mehendi.
to
Now
them.
also let's